this video I'm gonna explain you how you can set up a Selenium Gradle project in Intellij IDEA. For that, just open Intellij IDEA and notice that I'm using this version 15.0.4, and then just click on this create new project button, and then this window will open up. After that, select Gradle over here on the left hand side, and then select the project SDK, then click this Java and then click on next. After that, you have to give the group ID, say any group, g org.softpost, and artifact ID, say Gradle project, Gradle Selenium, and then click on next. After that, click this check boxes. It will create the directories, default directories like source test, source main Java, source test Java, etc. And latest version of the Intellij uses this built-in Gradle, so I'm gonna use this default Gradle wrapper, and then click on next, and then give the project name. It can be different from the artifact name. Click on finish, and it will open up a new Gradle Selenium project. So it is just a sample Gradle project. To use the Selenium API, you will have to add the dependency in the build.gradle file. So just close this tick box, and then it will create a sample Gradle project in Intellij IDEA. So it is still building that, and when the build is finished, you will notice that source directory is created over there, and yeah, source directory is created now. So as you can see, main and test folders or directories are created, and it also creates the build.gradle file where you can add the dependency for the Selenium. Here you can add the dependency. So to add the dependency for the Selenium, use this particular syntax. So it is similar to the how we add dependencies in the maven pom.xml file, where we specify the group name, then group ID, artifact ID, and the version. So similarly here you have to pass the group and then name. So it is specifically the name of the artifact and then a version of that particular artifact. So once you are done with that, you will be able to use this Selenium API in your tests. So I'm gonna create sample test over here. Just right click on this Java folder and then create new Java class, say test class, and hit OK. Then you can create add test annotation, which is JUnit frameworks annotation, publics wide. Here you can give any name, actually test1 say, and then or here you can create new WebDriver. So it is not able to recognize these things, so for that you will have to go to the Gradle settings over here on the right hand side, and then click on this, which will download all the dependencies in this Gradle. So as you can see, it is downloaded all the dependencies, and if you go to this class once again, it should be able to find out this dependencies. So as you can see, org.junit.test we can take, and then you can also give this web driver, Firefox driver, and then driver.get, which will open this website softpost.org, and then you can just close this driver and then quit. After that, you can just execute this test by just pressing Ctrl Shift F10. That's the shortcut key, or you can just right click and then click on run test. This will open the Firefox browser and then navigate to this website softforce.org. So that's how we can use the Gradle selenium project, set up this Gradle selenium project in Intellij IDEA. So I have just run that. Let us see what it does. So as you can see, it started running that particular test, and it is gonna launch the Firefox driver. So the Firefox driver is launched, and it will go to this website softforce.org. The test is failed. Let's see what's the reason. Target is not well formed, so you need to pass this HTTP over there in the URL, and then if you run that again, you can also run it from by clicking on this button over there at the top, or you can use Ctrl Shift F10. So as you can see, the website is opened, and then it will close the browser and then quit. So that's how you can set up this Gradle Selenium project in Intellij. Similarly, you can create more complex test cases and then execute them. And the advantage of the Gradle is that you can use this to integrate your tests with continuous integration servers like Bamboo, TeamCity, etc., Jenkins. And then from there you can execute the goals or the tasks of the Gradle, like of running tests and whatever tasks it supports. So here you can directly execute the tasks as well, and that's how you can deal with this Gradle and Intellij. If you like this video, hit like button.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.